So here's your factory plastic rail with this big gap. And the whole problem here is that this plastic cap is unsupported on the inside edge. When you put a tonneau cover on, or a bed rack or anything else like that, this thing can just move all over the place. We're going to fix that problem by putting the gap eliminator inside of this cap to support this edge right where the tonneau cover is adding weight to this hollow plastic part. Alright, we'll start our installation with a T30 Torx bit. We'll just pull out these 4 Torx screws. Alright, with the rail removed, now we have access to these tonneau brackets so we can install our bed cap gap eliminators right above them. You're going to take this bracket and just slide it out of the way. This is in a track up here, so just slide it out of the way. Take your gap eliminator, and depending on the location along this rail, there might be 2 ribs inside of here that these slots need to line up with. So you'll slide this in right above where this bracket goes, slide the bracket back over where it goes, and then just put your Torx screw back in. So that's it. Let's go see if we fix the gaps. Now what this is doing is supporting this load. This hollow cap is no longer hollow. Now it's supported, and if you put weight on the outside here, it's going to transmit through this solid gap eliminator and transmit the load to the top of this bracket that's bolted to the side of the bed. Oh, it's so much better. All we had to do is support that inside edge of this plastic bed cap. You can see it's nice and tight there all the way down.
For more products, visit billetttiedowns.com.